we will start our lesson number 1 of our reader book, First Flight. A Letter to God, our lesson number 1, written by G.L. Fuentes. Students, in this chapter, in previous video, I summarized the story to you. So once again, the chapter's overview are, in this chapter is about a farmer's firm faith in God. Lencho is a hard-working farmer. Hailstone destroy his crops and he feels that only God can help him. So he writes a letter to God requesting to send him 100 pesos. The postmaster reads Lencho's letter. He decides to help Lencho. He is able to collect 70 pesos from his colleagues and sends a letter to Lencho with the money. Lencho gets angry on counting the money and feels that the post office employees have taken some of the money God sent him. So he writes another letter to God. Now this time he asks God to send him the remaining money, but not through the post, as he does not have faith in the people working in the post office. So students, this is the story of that lesson, A Letter to God. So there are some oral comprehension checks. So first we do it. Now first oral comprehension check is like, what did Lencho hope for? And the answer of that question is, Lencho hoped for a good rainfall so that his fields of ripe corn could provide him a good harvest. Question second, why did Lencho say the raindrops were like new coins? Answer, Lencho said that the raindrops were like new coins because with rain his fields of ripe corn would produce a good harvest. A good harvest would help him in earning more money. Third question, how did the rain change? What happened to Lencho's field? Answer, the rain changed into hail as a strong wind began to blow and huge hailstorm begins to fall. All the crops in Lencho's fields got destroyed because of the hailstorms. Question 4. What were Lencho's feelings when the hail stopped? When the hail stopped, Lencho became sad. All his flowering crops were destroyed due to the hailstorms. He felt that no one can help his family and they would face hunger. Now next oral comprehension check in page number 6. Who or what did Lencho have faith in? What did he do? Lencho had faith in God. He believed that God sees everything and helps him. He wrote a letter to God asking him to send 100 pesos. Who read the letter? The postmaster read the letter. What did the postmaster do then? After reading Lencho's letter, postmaster laughed, but soon he became serious and was impressed by the Lencho's faith in God. He didn't want to break Lencho's faith in God. So he decided to collect money from his employees and friends. He also gave a part of his salary and sent it to Lencho on behalf of God. Now the next question of oral comprehension check in page number 7. Was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? No, Lencho was not surprised to find a letter with money in it. He believed that God will help him by sending the money. What made him angry? When Lencho counted the money in the envelope, he got angry. There were only 70 pesos in the envelope while he had asked for 100 pesos. So students, you have to learn all these oral comprehension check of our first lesson, the letter to God.